Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out a total different new makeup style, which I'm actually very scared to even try. So today we're going to be trying out GYARU makeup. Now I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. I don't know if you say GYARU, I don't know if you say GYARU. I'm just going to say GYARU just to stay out of controversy. I've been sitting here for about an hour on Pinterest. I've just been adding different things in makeup folder that pertain to this eye look. I think I found some pretty good stuff. Today I think we're gonna go for some thinner brows because I think most people that do GYARU do like thinner brows. Their brows are either super thin or they're super light, like brown brows instead of black. You know, if you guys want to see what I'm going to do to my brows, go to my TikTok. You guys will actually see me doing my brows. So if you want to see that, go visit my TikTok right now. I've decided that I'm gonna put on some 𝐜𝐫𝐞𝐝 contacts because I think that'll make this look very cool. So I decided that I was gonna use the Secret of Kristen Crush Brown. So it's kind of like pinky, you guys can see. So for this look, I'm gonna do my base makeup and then I'm going to come back once I am ready. Okay, hey guys, we're back and I just finished all of my base routine. Now it's time for the actual eye makeup. Now I'm getting nervous, but in theory this should be easy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a oval on my eye with eyeliner. So I'm gonna go like here and then down to like here, I think. And then we're gonna connect it and then come up like that. I don't know, y'all. I'm actually gonna start off with some shading. I'm gonna take this palette. I'm gonna start with like this shade. And let's see what this looks like. Okay, that's a pretty good shade. Ooh, going in a little bit too heavy now. Now I'm gonna bring this shade down here. Ooh, ooh. I think I've done a bit too much. So I'm gonna take the next darkest shade. I'm gonna go on the outer bit of my lids with said shade. I think I've done a bit too much, so now I'm going to kind of clean up a little bit with a light brown shade. I'm gonna use Cookie Dough from this Soph X Revolution palette. Just lightening up these colors. Oh my god. So then I'm gonna take like a mix of these two colors and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Okay. Now we're gonna do some eyeliner. I'm scared. And then instead of going outwards, we're just gonna go like a tiny bit downwards. Now what we're gonna do is we have the little liner wing there, and now we're gonna try to connect the bottom of this liner down to like the middle of my eye. So I'm gonna draw this little line. Okay, I don't know if y'all can even see that little line that I'm drawing there, but now I'm gonna take this. We're just gonna try and connect it, y'all. This is actually very scary. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know how people do this on a day-to-day basis. Okay, and then I'm just gonna try my best to just connect it to this area. I'm doing it very lightly over here. Now I'm gonna do it with this darker liner. Okay, now let's do this again. Let's very insane to me. What in the world about that? Oh my god, we need to hurry up. Okay. I actually need to now kind of blur that out a little bit, like down here. I'm gonna kind of blur that out just the tiniest bit, and then we're gonna do a little bit of this all like over here. No, wait, first we're gonna do an inner corner liner. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a little white underline under my eye. Oh Lord, what have I done? I'll come back once that liner. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of like a concealer of some sort, and we're going to use this to highlight a little bit under my eye. So things happen and we're gonna ignore that, okay? So we're actually going to take this, a little bit of white, and then we're gonna put that under our eye. Let's see if that works. Now I'm gonna take any small brush and we're gonna highlight this 𝐬𝐫𝐞𝐝 area. And then I wanna go in with a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna do this color, and then I'm gonna do chunks with that one. And alright, I kind of want a little bit of glitter on top of my lid too. And then now all I have to do is put on lashes on top and then do my lip liner and then highlighter, and it'll be done. I'll come back when it's time for highlighter and lip liner. So I'll see you then. So I'm back and I did my other eye and they look okay, and that's the only thing that matters. The next thing is that I'm gonna do some mascara, and for the mascara we're gonna pinch our lashes together. Down here I'm gonna apply the mascara all over here, but I'm not gonna apply the mascara like right over here. I'll see y'all once I finish that. Okay guys, so I finished the makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I finished a few parts of this makeup off of this camera. I did it on my phone for TikTok. If you want to see that, please go visit my TikTok, okay? Please go visit it and you'll see the whole thing. Yeah, that's it. I think I did a pretty good job. It could be a little bit more GYARU, but I think it's good for a beginner, and I think I did really good. I also did this lippy. It's supposed to be just really blank, colorless, because that's how most of them do their lipstick gloss. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Tell me down below, how do you guys think I did and all that different stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I definitely did enjoy doing it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Follow all of my other social medias, and with that, I'm done.